Hey folks, Happy New Year 2025. This is the day after Christmas. I made it through Christmas. Yay, yay, woo! So this is my SamSung black stainless steel refrigerator. It is about 2 years old. 2 years old. This house, we just moved into this house 2 years ago. This house was built, I built this house 2 years ago. But if you can hear, that noise is the compressor pump bearing. And that started about 3 weeks ago. And we contacted SamSung every day for, 2 weeks, except on the weekends. And SamSung will not warranty this refrigerator. So today, the day after Christmas, I am going refrigerator shopping. I'm going to get a Frigidaire, a Whirlpool, or a GE refrigerator to replace this SamSung. And I will never buy SamSung again. You know, I am a loyal SamSung owner. I mean, check it out. SamSung. 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 How many people do you know go out and buy that many ovens in their kitchen? SamSung. Washer and dryer. SamSung. Samsung. TV, SamSung. Soundbar, SamSung. I have 3 SamSung TVs upstairs. I have another SamSung soundbar upstairs. And I will slowly replace all my SamSung with something else, all because SamSung won't warranty their product. And that's too bad that a big corporation like SamSung won't fix a refrigerator that has a 5-year warranty. So, yeah, good on you, SamSung. And I hope all of you watching this video take the time, do your research, talk to the people in your local appliance center, and you're going to find out that they will tell you the same thing. We were in Lowe's the other day looking at new refrigerators, and the guy at Lowe's said, yeah, don't ever buy a SamSung refrigerator. They won't warranty it. So we're looking at a KitchenAid also. We like the bigger KitchenAids. But yeah, take SamSung off your list. They're pretty. They're pretty on the outside. They are the larger of the refrigerators. Kind of why we bought this one. It was bigger, more capacity. But is it worth the money? You know, you pay $1,700, $1,800 for a refrigerator. 2 years later, you have to replace it. It's probably not worth it. So, yep, we're going to get a new one. I'm probably going to go with regular stainless steel this time instead of the black stainless steel. The black stainless steel does look pretty good in there, though, with the cabinets. But yeah, way to go, SamSung. Thanks. So this is my horror story with owning a SamSung refrigerator and SamSung not holding up the warranty contract that comes with buying a refrigerator. They gave us the runaround. They told us we're too far away from a service center. They said we could get it fixed and they might reimburse us. So to me, might reimburse us means that they are not going to reimburse us. So just like one of those used car warranty scams or Aflac, Samsung's warranty is useless. Stay away from them. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful in your refrigerator shopping.